hope that you are good. And today I will share to you a video on how to make a perfect essay. So are you ready? I hope that you will learn something about this. Thank you. Kao, let's go. First, let us have this brainstorm. Sometimes the subject matter of your essay is assigned to you. Sometimes it's not. Either way, you have to decide what you want to say. Start by brainstorming some ideas. Writing down any thoughts you have about the subject. Then, read over everything you've come up with and consider which idea you think is the strongest. Ask yourself what you want to write about the most. Keep in mind the goal of your essay and also achieve the goal of the assignment, which is your assignment. Second, write a topic sentence. This is the main idea of your essay, a statement of your thoughts on the subject. Again, consider the goal of your essay. Think of the topic sentence as an introduction that tells your reader what the rest of your essay will about. Next, the third one is outline your ideas. Once you have a good topic sentence, then you need to support that main idea with more detailed information, facts, thoughts, and examples. These supporting points answer one question about your topic sentence. Why? This is where research and perhaps more brainstorming come in. Then, organize these points in the way you think makes the most sense, probably in order of importance. Now you have an outline for your essay. You need to write it now or get set, write. Follow your outline, using each of your supporting points as the topic sentence of its own paragraph. Use descriptive words to get your ideas across to the reader. Go into detail, using specific information to tell your story or make your point. Stay on track, making sure that everything you include is somehow related to the main idea of your essay. Use transitions to make your writing flow. And the fifth one, wrap it up. In this step, you need to finish your essay with a conclusion that summarizes your entire essay and restates your main idea. And the last one, proofread and revise. Check for errors in spelling, capitalization, punctuation, and grammar. Look for ways to make your writing clear, understandable, and interesting. Use descriptive verbs, adjectives, or adverbs when possible. It also helps to have someone else read your work to point out things you might have missed. Then, make the necessary corrections and changes in a second draft. Repeat this revision process once more to make your final draft as good as you can.